Okay, let's get it. What is up, guys? Finally on dirt bike again. Whoa. How does she get up? Oh, never mind. Okay, so I'm pretty much the truck up here. I need to scoot up. I'm watching it, hand on the brake right now. And I'm kind of bummed. Oh shoot! I still have the phone in my. I still have the phone in my pocket. Riley, can you come get my phone for me? I'm gonna ride it around for a bit, maybe later. I'm gonna ride it for a bit.
Please, Daniel.
You can ride it later. Take my phone.
If you let me try it one shot, you can ride the rest of the night. I won't ever bother you.
Okay, hold my phone. I'm gonna get off. Oy.
How do you even do this?
Look. Up your legs. You need to be sitting on that. This right here, you need a your legs can stay on the ground. Lightly twist.
Where do I put my legs?
On there. No, not yet. Not yet. Lightly twist the throttle until you feel good. Put your legs up on the pegs, and then circle around.
Walk next to me. Walk next to me.
Yes, you got it. Very lightly. You got it.
Hold this too.
You got it.
Do I have to like push off anything?
I mean, just really lightly. Don't go full throttle. Are you good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk next to you. When we get back to the shed, I'm riding again. Oh. All right, meet me at the shed. Hey, she cooking. Why does she have so much wood? Hey, yo. This is finna be satisfying. Listen, ready? Look at her go. She better hurry up. Brake! Press the brake!
One more.
All right, circle around one more. That's it.
I'm going this way. And circling around.
Shit. I didn't tell her that. How. She knows. She'll know. She rides the full.
You have to put your foot down when you turn.
No. Brake. All right. Turn around one more time. She cooking. Damn. It's flying. If you notice, if I have my camera's kind of facing down, because I didn't. Instead of putting my camera up here on the top, put it on the chin so it's facing down more often. All right, brake.
Can I ride this one regular Ava?
No, break it. Riley, stop.
It wasn't even going. Whoa.
Stupido. Oi. What? You can't ride this around the.
Let me ride it back to the gate and then you can give me the phone.
No.
Give me the
Oh wait. Oh yeah, my fault.
Stupid. And go get regular Ava.
I'm not riding around the neighborhood. I don't even know why she came this way. Who drives this way? What is stupido for a... Yo, who came up on the hill? Look at the line. Ready? Let's hit our first trick. Actually stand up for a bit. Okay. First ever trick. Hit it. Oi! First ever trick, bro. Got that on camera. That's hard. Do it again. Oi! That was aura. Now, remember that dirt dirt patch right there, that was from me. On one of my videos, I crashed and the foot peg like picked up a big chunk of dirt. I'm gonna fast right here. So yeah, I'm trying to post just pretty much everything with sports and stuff, like my sister's sports and all that stuff. It's getting hard to post, but honestly, I'm trying my best. Now, as you can see, I'm at my neighbor's house currently. My house is like 3 houses down from their house. So, yeah. Holy crappity. Yo, look at what we did, bro. Alright, ready? We're gonna try to throttle and stand up. Go. I did it! I almost fell, but I did it! Holy moly. I thought there was... I forgot that he didn't have a, rear brake. I was like, doing all that. Honestly, bro, if y'all actually rock it and start donating, please, you guys need this. Actually, no, you don't have to donate. Some people watching me, bro, they probably think I'm entertaining all that. I guess I am. You don't have to subscribe, you don't have to donate, you don't have to like. You can just watch the video and leave. You're like, yeah, this guy sucks. But honestly, I'm trying to save up for my older bike. This is my neighbor's, like I said. Oh. I'll check him. My seating position is good. Break a bit. Coming around. See, I could be W racer, bro. I'm like, see that track right there? Yeah, I did that on the four wheel before. Wait, I have a video of me on a four wheel. I still haven't posted it. I'll post it today after I post this one. I know how to go on a four wheeler and everything like that. Yes, I'm waiting to get better at dirt biking as well, because ever since I moved into my neighborhood, like I only moved in here like a month ago maybe. So I'm still trying to, and they had a dirt bike, so they're like, yeah, you can try out the dirt bike. And this was my first time. So now I'm really liking it and trying to see what's wrong. In my old neighborhood, we had a four wheeler. Yeah, I used to ride it around too. But I wanted to, until I get on the track with the dirt bike, I'm waiting to get better at dirt biking. Because there's the big jump right there that I really like. What is the bird on the track? Alright, I need to shut up and stop yapping this ride. Whoa. There's a bug on me. I just now realized I want one hand. Oh my gosh. I have PTSD from that turn. That's why I always like let go of the throttle. You could like tune it to